In today's tidbit, we're in Dubai. Have you ever imagined a cafe where your cup of coffee comes with a bulldozer? We're here at an innovative new concept that merges the joy of diecast models with someone's daily coffee break. RC Cities, a remote-controlled themed gaming cafe, features a large 20-foot by 20-foot sandbox in the center of the restaurant filled with huge 1/16 scale RC diecast construction models operated by the cafe's customers. Not just for kids, adults are finding it a fantastic way to de-stress and relive their childhood fantasies while sipping their lattes and operating the earth movers of their dreams. What a way to start your day. Follow us for more diecast news and visit us too at awesomediecast.com.